and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how awful my pantry looks and how much better I'm going to make it look with a simple little haul from the Dollar Tree. I've already shared my haul from the Dollar Tree with all of the storage containers, so now I'm going to show you what I do with all of them. So this is the super awful pantry. We have so much stuff in here right now, some stuff that just got tossed in here. We have a lot of good food on hand, which I'm very proud of. Like, I've been getting things on sale and making sure I keep the pantry stocked. And we have no idea what's in here though, because it's a total wreck. So I'm about to get the stuff that shouldn't be in here out of here and organize what should be. And this is my little stash of containers and organization help, and I'm going to use this to overhaul the pantry. So I'm going to start by taking literally every single thing out of the pantry. There is so much stuff in here. There are games, Mr. Potato Head is in here, there's a fishing game, there's wallpaper in here, there's so much stuff. This has just turned into a catch-all closet for way too many things. So I'm taking everything out and making piles of stuff that needs to get thrown away, stuff that needs to go to a different room, and then all of the food that needs to go back in the pantry, and putting them into categories as well. I'm going to organize these and then work through this, because if you could see around right now, oh my god. As you can see here, one side of the pantry is done. I went ahead and started organizing one side so I could get an idea of which containers I wanted to use there and how many I would have left for the other side. And it was kind of motivational to go ahead and do part of it so I could see the end result, because I was starting to get pretty tired and I didn't want to do it anymore. My biggest tip for organizing your pantry or any closet is to just go to the Dollar Tree, buy a bunch of containers, and don't worry about what you're going to do with them when you get home. Just buy them, buy several in different sizes, get them home, and then go from there. Normally, I am that person who has to have a plan when I buy things because I don't want to spend any extra money that I don't have to. But I knew that no matter where I ended up using these in my house, they would get used, and they all worked perfect in the pantry. So this is the finished product. I'm still going to have my vacuum in here, so there's not going to be as much floor room, but let me show you what I did. So starting at the top, I have all of my cleaning stuff up here. I wanted to get it all out of Landon's reach, so it's all up here. Extra paper towels and extra Swiffer stuff, all the cleaners. Oh, I'm coming too. You hear Landon in the background. So we have all the Nutri-Grain bars here. So I put all of the Cheerios in these containers actually to utilize some jars that I had. Got all the grits in here, and then we have my tea, steeped tea, and then there's some hot cocoa in a basket back there. So we have all the baking stuff in here. There's flour and sugar and powdered sugar, and then in this basket I have I have cocoa, nuts, cornstarch, chocolate chips, all that good stuff. Then over here I have some vegetable oil, barbecue sauce. I have all my canned stuff here. And then I wasn't really sure what would even fit in here, so I just put some of the applesauce I have, some spaghetti, and then some chili, which I have in a packet there. I put all of my noodle products in here, like macaroni, pasta salad, ramen, and then I stuck some chia and flax seeds back there too. And then this bag of potatoes, and then our bread is over here, snacks all right here, some extra bags of chips are down here, and then this is Landon's little bag of snacks that he can come get whenever he wants. So, have the mops, and then over here we have water, juice, a lunchbox, and then some other random jars I'm not sure what to do with yet. So, that. And then I also cleaned up the coffee and minimized it a little bit. I have my filters here, my coffee, and the K-cups. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are looking to completely overhaul your pantry, I suggest you go to the Dollar Tree and buy all of their little organization and storage containers, because they're awesome. And I should have bought more, to be honest, but I think I made it work. So thanks for watching.